廣東話。Welcome to Bitches Cantonese, where you will learn to learn English language. I'm your host. Loneliness in Cantonese is 孤獨。孤獨。No means angry. No 自信。自信 that means self-confidence. 唔使。唔去。Who in Cantonese is 邊個。When 幾時。Why 點解。How 點樣。買 that means buy. 投資 that means invest. 俾錢 that means paying. 關你撚事 simple. 4 characters. Okay, repeat after me. 關你撚事。關你撚事。關你咩事啫？關你咩事啫？多謝。That means thank you. 靚女 You just call them a beautiful lady. 你好乖。It means you are a good girl or a good dog. 你唔聽話。Which means you don't listen to me. 勇敢。你好勇敢啊。You're very courageous. Jealousy. 妒忌 or some people will say 妒忌。高 that means tall and high. 矮 that means short. 瘦 that means slim. 肥 that means fat. 柒頭